Hi everyone, welcome back to RTS and welcome back to our giveaway winner drawing. Yes, that's what we have up for tap for today because I had a Merry Christmas to You giveaway and we had some paper pads and embossing folders and we had some enamel dots, roller date stamp, washi tape. Yes, and what else do we have in there? Oh, and a stamp set and some dies, a little bit of everything, a little bit of fun. Yes, so I have my iPad here and I have my video with my link here, and then I have my YouTube random comment picker, and we said we had 277 unique unique users found. So let's randomly pick a winner and see. We have Joanne Floodman. Yes. And Joanne said, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. I love giveaways. And someday I might win, LOL. Well, guess what, Joanne? Today is your lucky day because you actually won this giveaway. And I will have my information list below. Just shoot me an email and I will get this to you. Yes, so excited. And so that's so funny, Joanne. And yes, today is your day. You absolutely won this giveaway. So I wanted to say thank you to Joanne, and a thank you to all of you who left me a comment, and to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, a happy holiday, and so also a Happy New Year. It is 2019 after all. So that is all I have for today. There'll be giveaways coming up in 2019 here, there, and everywhere. Yes, and you never know, maybe some hidden giveaways, so keep an eye open for that. Now, I had recently listed a spending freeze video, and one of my lovely subscribers said, one way if you are cutting back your spending in 2019, enter giveaways. And I absolutely agree with that, because I know when I entered into my spending freeze, you know, slowing down a few years ago, I would enter every giveaway I could find, and I actually won several things. So absolutely consider that option. If you're cutting back, you can still get some. Enter giveaways. And scrapbooking cards today is one of them that gives giveaways. Page maps, Echo Park, Photo Play, all of those, even Jelly Bean Soup, Simple Stories right now is having giveaways. So hop over to their Facebook pages, their websites, Instagram, all of that, and enter those giveaways. Absolutely. Okay, so that is all we have for today. Congratulations, Joanne. You absolutely won. Yes, come back to RTS because you never know what we're going to do. Bye.